This video is about the result of 197 days in real trading. Today is February 3rd, 2023 and I wanted to contribute to the result of my system and have just accidentally started here again a new trade. We will now close the trade, because actually I have already reached my goal on the 1st of February 2023. The goal with the whole action was to close a system with 10% profit. If you take a look at this, we just crossed $11,000 and here in the order history you can see that I deposited $10,000. That was, as far as I can remember, on July 18th. And in fact, I exceeded my own profit goal on February 1st. This is the corresponding statistic on my website. And if you click here, you can have a look at the exact statistics of all data of this system on the FX Blue website. Here one can represent the whole again as total profit. On February 3rd, just now, I closed the last trade and the first position was opened on July 18th, 2022. Overall, we have a growth of 10.0% with a monthly growth of 1.4%. The system closed only 68% of all positions in profit and on average we made 12 trades per day over a period of 199 days. Actually, this would only be 197 days if I hadn't accidentally opened a position when I started this video. If we take a calculator to help us here and divide the 10% by 197 days and multiply by 365, then we would come to a growth of 18.5% annually. What I find interesting is the equity issue, because here you can see quite well that over the period we traded, most of the time the equity was very close to balance. That means we had little drawdowns. In the analysis you can see that we traded exclusively with the Euro-US dollar. That was 2408 orders, a gross profit of over $2,000, a gross loss of $1,112, and that results in a total profit of $1,001.28 with a profit factor of 1.9. Here are some additional statistics, for example the average trading time in hours. This one is an outlier at 334.9 hours. But on the whole, you can say that the vast majority was under 100 hours. FX Blue statistics here show a total loss risk of 0% and you can look at 100 more statistics here. Whoever is interested in it can do that here on the FX Blue site or call the webpage platinsystem.com. This is currently redirected. But also here you can have a look at the statistics. And here below is somewhere still the playlist linked. For DSGVO you have to enable the YouTube content here, but then you can have a look at the playlist. This is the video from day 1. All in all, I documented this a little bit and I'll add this video in there right now. Personally, I'm very happy with the results and now I'm moving on to the next system.